Hi everyone, this is Nikita representing MarvelSoft. Today I am going to show how to edit a TC and how you can issue a TC for students and how to set the TC details. Firstly, log in into the school admin. Here we can customize the student transfer certificate report in our school admin. Firstly, I am going to show the default student report in our software. Go to the student report module, click on the TC certificate. Here select the student's class, section and the student name, then click on preview. This is the default transfer certificate report built into our software. If you want to see in a PDF, click on the PDF. Here in the PDF you can see the transfer certificate. If you want to customize your student TC certificate, you can customize it. For that, go to the software folder where the software is installed. To see where the software is installed, go to the services, here search for the school admin server, double click on that school admin server. Here you can see the path where our software is installed. Click on the C drive, click on the program file x86 and follow the further steps. After following the path, click on the Open Office. Then search for the student TC certificate. This is the student TC certificate. Click on that. The ODT file of the student TC certificate is opened in the Open Office. You can see here. We will now see that how to edit and make changes in this ODT file. Before editing any script file, you should have a backup so that you can make change without any hazards. To edit a script, take a copy of the ODT file and paste it into the desktop. Next, open that file in Open Office and edit the script as per your requirements. You can edit the text labels. I will show now how to edit the script. The pupil name, I will change that as the name of the pupil. You can change the text labels according to your requirements. All the text labels you can change. You can change the font size and the font style, which I am going to show now. If you want to change the colors, you can change it, which I am going to show now. The $symbol variables cannot be edited because they are fixed. You can only replace them in another place and remove them if you don't want. We can change the font size and modify according to our needs. After editing successfully, you can see the student TC certificate. Save the edited file. Copy the edited file and paste it into the Open Office folder. Now go to the software. Here in the TC certificate, select the student class, section and the student name, then click on preview. Here now you can find the edited transfer certificate. If you want to see in a PDF, click on the PDF. The transfer certificate is which we can see in the PDF. The edited details like pupil name is changed to name of the pupil and the font size and the color which is changed by editing the transfer certificate report. If you want to download, you can download it, and if you want to take a print, you can take a print. This is the PDF of the edited file. Now we will see how to issue a TC for students. For that, go to the Student Information module, click on the Students menu. Here, select the student class, section and the student name to whom you want to issue a TC. Select the particular student. Here you can see the student details in the student master table. Then click on the edit. When we click on edit, the student details page will be opened. Here go to the student history. Here you should add the current school leaving date and the current school TC number and select the checkbox that is has furnished certificate and the has student transferred. Then click on update. Here you can see the updated successfully message. For the student Amit, the TC has been issued. If you want to see the students who issued TC, go to the Student Report module. In that, click on the TC Report menu. Click on the preview. Here you can see the who all are students issued the TC, which I have shown now who issued TC. You can see the name of details of the students who issued TC, that is Amit Kumar 10th standard A section, and all the further details you can see here in the TC report menu. If you want to see a particular class section TC report, select the class, section and then click on preview. Here you can see the particular class and section of the student's TC report. Now we will see how to set the TC details. For that, go to the Student Information module, click on the Students menu. Here, select the student's class, section and the student name, then click on the Find. Here in the Student Master table, the student details will be displayed. Then click on the Edit button. Here in the student details, go to the TC details. Here enter all the required TC details. Here add the total school days, attended school days, the application date, TC application date, TC issued date. Enter all the details. After entering all the details, click on update. Here you can see the updated successfully message. The TC details are updated successfully. Thank you for watching this video.